Okay, this is Biology B, Unit 8, Final Assessment 1. And I'm going to start off by telling you how cyanobacteria change the Earth's atmosphere using photosynthesis. How primates have binocular vision and grasping hands. Basic biological unit of the Linnean system is species. All of these can be found on, the first one can be found on 258, second one can be found on 731, and the third one can be found on 305. Number 4 is similar features evolved through convergent evolution, analogous characters. Analogous characters. 5 is virus is active and living in the body. 6 is protists are eukaryotes that lack the feature of plants, animals, and fungi. 7 is a flower is a reproductive structure. 8 is ferns are vascular plants without a dominant sporophyte form. And 9 is ectoderm is, well, an ectoderm in the embryo is turns into skin and the nervous system.
Good.
And now I'm handing it to Mr. G.
You want to grab the camera while
So, how's your day today?
When I do the rest. Okay, so just conceptually though, I want to go back to the flower's reproductive structure. Look at this, think of this as a bee going from flower to flower, or insect going from flower to flower pollinating. Can you grab this on this side?
That's what she said.
Going back to the ectoderm, that develops into the skin and the nervous system. The acolamate body type is an example of annelids. Those are the structures or the organisms with no body cavity. Both arthropods and annelids have segmented body types, and 2 examples there. You'll see in page 382 the skeletal support necessary for animals to leave aquatic environments. In order for fishes to go from the aquatic environment on land, they had to have a internal skeleton. You'll remember we talked about exoskeleton, things like crabs, lobster having an exoskeleton or a hard skeleton on the outside. Fish, again, have internal skeleton. Birds have a 4-chamber heart. You did this in your lab this week when you analyzed the different hearts, starting with hummingbird and human heart. 15, placental animals remain inside the mother until development is complete. And then 16, imprinting occurs in the early years. You remember where we talked about Conrad Lorenz's book, where he's talking about taking over for basically the parent, the mom, and that imprints on the bird, and the bird starts treating the human being as if it were the mother duck or the mother hen. This happens because at that time, and during the organism's development, imprinting, or this idea that the parent is helping them along, is really strong in their brains. 17, smooth muscle is for internal organs, and 18, make sure you look up. It should be endosymbiosis or endosymbiosis. And that's it for now. Check in with me. Please call, email, or Skype. Talk to you later. Bye.
You boot.
Deuces.